Good morning, students. This is the very second chapter of class 7th, which has been taken from Honeycomb. And the name of this poem is The Rebel, that the poet just wants to just represent in front of you the mentality of a person which is supposed to be completely opposite in the comparison of all the people in a group. How he thinks, how he reacts, each and everything has been just put in this poem. You will find that what's their activity and everything. You might have seen this kind of person in society, in your family, that who is going to disagree with your opinion, and always you say something but he does something else. He is not going to follow each and everything according to you. That person is said the rebel, who is means you can say in a word that who is always against what a group says. When everybody has short hair, the rebel lets his hair grow long. When everybody is said, for this example, you don't have to just bring different kinds of thing. You can see this in your school when the teacher is going to be very strict and say that you have to just have your hair short, but he has a long hair. He is against that. Everybody has a long hair, the rebel cuts his hair short. When everybody talks during the lesson, the rebel does not say a word. He is just a opposite of each and everything is going to be made as a rule. Even in classes you can see that when teacher is completely concentrated on the lesson, and each and every students just going to focus that the lesson, he is going to just disturb the classes, creating nuisance and not focusing on the topic. And on that, the teacher gets angry and gives punishment, but he is not going to give up his activity in the classes. When nobody talks during the lesson, the rebel creates a disturbance. When everybody wears a uniform, the revolt is dresses in fantastic clothes. And for this also, the teacher sometimes gets angry and take this person out of the class. When everybody wears fantastic clothes, the revolt dresses soberly. When everybody is supposed to be in the very just uh, fantastic clothes, they are having a very in just a where in better way, he does not have that way of dressing himself. In the company of dog lovers, the rebel expresses a preference for cat. Here the poet has used dog and cats. Really, he does not want to say the preference of dogs and cats. He wants to show and clear that the different taste of the rebel in his life. He has not the same taste as we all and each and every person has. When everybody is praising the sun, the rebel remarks on the need of rain. While you can see that everyone just demanding the rain, he is just waiting for sun. And when everybody is waiting for sun, he is demanding the rain. When everybody is greeting the rain, everybody when welcomes the rain, he has the opposite behavior regarding the rain. Means in that sense, he want the sun. When everybody goes to the meeting, the rebel stays at home and reads a book. Obviously, just you can see that he has completely different objectives, different mentality in the comparison of the group. When everybody stays at home, he reads a book, the rebel goes to the meeting. When everybody says yes please, the rebel says no thank you. When everybody says no thank you, the rebel says yes please. It is very good that we have rebels. You might, you may not find it very good to be one. The very last time line is very attractive and has to be understood well. That the poet says that it is not necessary that the people in our society, in our company, should be of the same mentality. If we all have the same opinion about the same thing, we cannot learn the different thing from the same thing. We must have the people of different mentality. There must be opposition because it gives you lots of clues, lots of ideas and hints to learn the things from there. Otherwise, everyone will follow simply the rules and nobody will just think the just opposite side of this rules and activity. So he does like that, and that's why the poet says that it is very good that we have rebels because their activity in the classes, their activity in life teaches us lots of lessons of life and of the real life and activity. That when you come to the real world, we find that really that the people have different opinions of the same matter. We will do the question answer in the next video lecture. Thank you.